Hello friends, in this video I will share with you how to edit a sunset photo. Then the lighting setup, how to have beautiful light like this, has front and back edges and dress like this. I has guided you in the light section. And now I will start editing this photo. Then I will open this photo first. First, I will delete unwanted objects. Here I have a board, I delete it. And I have a column here and I delete it too. Shift delete. If there's an arm here, I will delete it. This photo is taken under expose, because I wants to keep the details of the sky. Now I will increase the light by increasing contrast. Notice the skin, I look at the histogram. The picture is still dark, keep increasing. Then after I increase the contrast it is still dark, then I will increase the stop, plus 0.3 stop. 1. 2. At this point, I see that the photo is bright enough. Then for this 0.3 stop part alone, I will create a mask. And I found that this part of the skin was also a little light. Restore this skin. I didn't want it to be too bright. Then OK. Then I will pull out the photo next. Let go of this peach blossom part. I will merge all the layers together. Pull out the photo. So to make this scene light up again, I will choose brush and I choose contrast. So now I will sweep into these areas. Then you see it lights up. Scan where it lights up. I can also sweep in my dress, so I can contour the dress. Before, after, I continued to scan one more time. Why scanning contrast instead of scanning light? Because it only increases some areas. But it does not increase the light at all, and if the light is increased, the picture is often too bright. Here I can subtract shadow so I can reduce shadow, I turn the image up a bit. That's okay. Then, except for this shadow, I will delete this part of the skin. You see, editing photos is always based on the actual things that arise. Now it's very easy, for example when you edit with normal Photoshop. Then you have to, now how to increase shadow? And now I just need to click on shadow and I'm done. Okay. Then I review my step 1. Before, after. I can do the skin with Beauty Skin. This picture is small, the skinning part is very easy so I go through this part for it quickly. I has already shown the previous parts, the previous video show to make skin. If you do not understand how to make skin, you can watch the old videos. I will continue. I will add the sunset to this photo. Add sunset, select J and pull up. Let me add more color to my sky. Okay. Before, after. And I can add sky color. I want more color, press J always. But it should have a multicolored in a sky, it will be more diverse and vivid. If I want it to be more golden, I can choose sunset. This is the combo that I always guides you. It's sunset sky, sky color and sunset. Here I will reduce 80%. Scan in the parts that I don't want it to affect. For example, the dress, the person, the subject has little impact. Now that I want the area it lights up, scan that area. Here there is this peach tree, it does not fit very well. Delete it. Because it has color no matching in this context. Shift delete. Photoshop very smart. Help me delete in a very natural way. That far away, people won't see. And I can keep adding a contrast here. Sweep into the water, bridge. These positions I wanted it to stand out more. These grows. I just choose the highlight, not all I will make it stand out. Okay, now I will adjust to the color of the dress. Choose color cast, I add red. Drop a little bit. Now comes the part where I will squeeze the dress. I will squeeze this dress by going to liquefy. It's a bit pointed here. Then it will not be natural. I will squeeze it short. The sharp points it will make it feel uncomfortable. And here I will bend these as well. These places let the dress look at its curls, it's more special. Pay attention when you edit the dress. The squeeze with liquefy it is very important. Make the dress more unique and impressive. Of course, I took a good picture, but I also had to edit it well. As for editing, it really depends on each person's taste. Some people like to tweak a lot, some people like to tweak a little. And I took a lot of effort to take a very elaborate photo. Then I should adjust how to make the photo worthy of my image investment. We can't post a raw photo. It's not appropriate if it takes too much time, right? Well, I doesn't spend hours editing a photo. You see that I edited the photo very quickly. That's thanks to FineArt Secret tool, and I was able to optimize the photo editing and photo editing process very quickly. I squeeze how to make my dress soft. Not stiff. And still very natural. The most important thing is that it's natural. You can see my pictures are not exaggerated. Very natural. Because I'm very thoughtful in image processing. And then I'll hit the block up with dodge. I hit once with contrast. Continue pressing with dodge. Here before, after, you see that the dress is much more impressive. And I finished the main part of this picture already. Very fast, right? I can tweak the skin, or now I will do the more subtle ones. For example, darken this umbrella a little. Those are just small parts, you can do it. I'm going to light up the parts of this tree a little bit. This river can light up a little bit, this bridge can lighten up a little bit. Create the highlight for your photo. See before, my picture is quite dark, and after I edit, I got a very impressive picture. The most important thing is that you have to take a photo with a beautiful flowing dress like this. A lot of people think this is composite, but no. This is the original photo. And I will delete small junk like this, very quickly. I just circled it all at once. And press Shift Delete. The system will automatically delete them all for me, otherwise I will continue to delete them.